What's up you guys? Today, try natin tong 18 pesos na EV Cosmetic Korea Instant Whitening Cream. Actually, nakapag-try na ako ng Instant Whitening Cream yung Katidal, pero yon medyo mas expensive siya. I think I bought that one for 50 pesos. So, medyo mas mahal siya. But this one, it's only 18 pesos. Ano pa ba? Bibili nyo siya sa all ever bilhin na counter. So, very accommodating din siya bilhin. So, let's try it. This is my face right here. I have my cream, of course. I have my SPF and all that good stuff. Unveils skin's natural fairness in an instant. It helps lighten skin tone while keeping it soft, smooth, and moisturized. Yun ang nakalagay dito. I-try na natin to on this side first. May lemon Sensya. So, apply na natin to using my hand lang on this side of my face. Yan muna, ganyan muna ka-konti. May kulangot pala ako. Di siya heavy at all. Normally, yung Katidal kasi nung ginamit ko yun, medyo heavy yung ano niya, yung consistency niya sa mukha. Eto hindi. Mukha siyang cream dito, pero nagme-meltdown siya into parang water base. Ito na siya upon application. As you can see right here, yung difference nito sa side na to, it does lighten up a little bit on the skin tone. Katulad din ng Katidal, ganun din siya. Nakakaputi din ng skin, pero parang may white ka siya ang dating sa akin. So, apply ko lang to on the left side of my face at saka picturean natin siya later on para makita natin kung may white cast to. And picturean natin to with flash. So, medyo madilim. Yeah, my skin looks good. Even in flash photography and on natural lighting, maganda yung itsura niya. Ito yung may flash. Ito yung natural lighting. Maganda yung itsura niya actually. Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest of my face and get back to you guys. Back, ang ganda ng itsura niya actually for base. Sa makeup, ang ganda ng itsura niya as of the moment. Mukha siyang wala lang, lalo na pag sinet niyo siya ng powder. So, I like it so far. Maganda yung itsura niya, hindi siya overwhelming. I think this will be perfect for those na hindi masyado naman nagme-makeup. Gusto lang ng a little brightness and a little whiter sa itsura. So, ang ganda niya, nakakaputi siya tingnan. And, yun lang so far. I-test natin to for around mga 5 hours. Check natin kung okay ba siya din for oily skin. As you know, meron akong oily skin. So, i-check natin to kung okay siya sa oily skin. As of the moment, okay naman siya. Lalo nang sinet ko siya ng powder, okay yung itsura niya. Alam mo, this is really cute. Like, if you're a powder type of person, hindi ka nagka-foundation and all that, maganda siyang base na rin. So, yun lang napapansin ko as of the moment. 9:10 ng umaga. 4:05 ng hapon. So, this will be my final thoughts. Na, alam nyo guys, napaka-impressive ng oil control nito kasi mainit ngayon nyo guys, sobrang init ngayon, and look at my face, like, so minimal oil to. Pero, hindi naman siya ganun sobrang oil, so I think this is best for oily skin, and also, it's moisturizing enough na rin for those who have drier to normal skin. So, I love this. I love this actually. For 18 pesos, sulit na sulit tong product na to. Kung gusto niyo ng cream na brightening and a little tad whiter than your original skin tone na cream, tapos tsaka kayo magpa-powder, this is a good product to try. Plus, this is very affordable compared to all instant whitening cream in the market. This one is like 18 pesos. So, a must try itong product na to. I truly love it. I will absolutely use this like for every day. Siyempre yung mga redness, huwag na kayo umasa. This is just a cream for you to have a brighter and a tad more lighter than your original skin tone. So, you don't expect that much sa kanya. This is a good base for those na tipong ladies na mahilig lang sa powder tint, yung mga ganong tipo ng tao. This is a good product to try. I suggest this to you guys. Yun lang. May masasabi pa ba ako? May masasabi pa ako. Kung nagamit niyo na itong product na to, comment kayo sa baba kung may ibang feedback sa inyo. Pero sa akin, it's absolutely okay. So this one is a Phoebe approved. A must try for you guys. Pero kung kayo, may iba kayong experience sa kanya, like bad or good, comment kayo sa baba ha. Kung nagamit nyo na to, nagamit nyo na ba to? Try, comment kayo please. That's it you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. If you did, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. For that, I will know you love these kinds of videos. Thank you very much guys for watching. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Do not forget to be happy all the time and have a great day. Bye! what's up? If you want to check my latest video, guys, ito yan, click nyo lang yan. And kung hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe sa channel na to, click nyo yung pagmumukha ko dyan sa baba. All of my social medias will be down here. I'd like to say hi to Claire D1999. Hello, thank you for watching, and I love you. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!